Hello everyone. Today we are going to start your new chapter, that is measurement. As you know, in measurement especially we will discuss about the measurement of length or distance, measurement of volume or capacity, or measurement of the weight. As you know, the length or distance is measured in the units to measure the length, breadth and height is kilometer, meter and centimeter. If you have very long distance like Port Harcourt to Lagos, Chandigarh to Delhi, okay, then we can measure it in kilometers. This all you have to write in the notebook, okay. So introduction of the chapter is like this. So you have, for long distance you have to use kilometer or meter. Short, miles, so km is used. For the medium length, like length of the table, height of the room, height of the building, then there we will use meter, okay, or m also we can use. For the small length we can use centimeter, okay, like the length of this paper, breadth of the paper or book, centimeter is used. And if it is very small length, like thickness of the tip of the pencil, okay, thickness of my nail, that, or thickness of hair, that we will use very smallest unit, that is millimeter. And what is the relation between this one? So this you can do like a fill in the blanks. Also you can learn 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, 1 meter is 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So in class 1 also you did these things, old ways to when we don't have the meter scale and all this. Then old ways to measure the length is arm span. When you stretch your arm and measure the length, one arm, then you can go forward for 2 arms, 3 arms. And then it is hand span. Hand span is like this. You have to open your hand, then see the length from thumb to the last finger. Then foot span, by the feet you have to use. You have to join 1 foot after feet, 1 foot. And pace, normal walk you have to use. And for the digit, like this pencil digit means fingers, you have to use finger 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is 7 digit, okay. So these are the old ways to measure the length. Now how to measure the volume? Volume means the measurement of the capacity, how much a container contains in the form of liquid. We can't say that in a bottle 1 kilogram water is there, that we have to use liter or milliliter. And you know, some of you have the bottles of 1 liter, okay, and you might have seen this cold drink bottles. Some are of 750, some small one is of 250, and your cough syrup is less, like 100 ml or 200 ml small pots are there. And if you see the spoon, 1 spoon, small spoon can be of 5 milliliter, and little big can be of 10 ml. A bucket at home you were using, that is of 10 to 15 liter. So what is the relation between liter and milliliter? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. And how to measure the weight? Weight just like is measured in kilogram and gram. Just like if you see my weight is 70 kilogram or 48 kilogram. Gram is the smallest unit, small unit of this one, okay. And smallest will be milligram. So how much is 1 kilogram? If I give you some idea about the 1 kilogram, you can see 8-9 potatoes can give you 1 kilogram. 6-7 pieces of the apples can give you 1 kilogram. Or you might have seen some packets at home of dal and all these of 1 kilogram, okay. And what is 1 gram is very small. Just like if this pencil, if we weigh this pencil, this can be of 10 to 20 or 30 gram. Okay, if full pencil is there, that can be of 40 or 50 gram. So this way. Now in this chapter you have to draw in the notebook some of the lines, just like one line segment, okay. AB 5 centimeter. You can use your scale like this, from 0 to 5 you can mark and just draw the line 5 centimeter, okay. I've drawn here scale, 0 of the scale to 5 of the scale in centimeter side. So 10 centimeter also you can draw, and 8 centimeter also you can draw. So this whole page you can pause the video and write in the notebook the relation between kilometer, meter, centimeter and all these units. This can be asked like a fill in the blanks. 1 kilogram is how many gram, 1 liter how many milliliter, like this. So now we will start next from your book. In your book, if you see, the first is looking back. How long is the picture in the of the crocodile? You have to see how many clips are used for crocodile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 paper clips. Same way you can do the second part yourself. How heavy is the monkey? You can see how many are here, how many balls are here, clay balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 clay balls. Okay. So second part for you. So now this mug, the monkey filled his bucket at the river with mugs of water. How many mugs of water does the bucket can hold? You can see the mugs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mugs. Okay. So same way you can do this side yourself. Okay. One part for you. Now we'll go to the next page number 105. They are giving you example, rough idea of centimeter. How many a centimeter? If you keep your finger like this, then from here to here it can be 1 centimeter. Okay. For we have this much thickness can be 1 centimeter, but for you this can be 1 centimeter. Okay. So you can see this can be 1 centimeter, and your scale is of 15 centimeter if it is smaller one. If you have long scale, that is of 30 centimeter. Okay. And this is of 15 centimeter, and in feet it is 1 feet, and in inch side, one side you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This side is called as inch side. Okay. And it is of 6 inch. It is of 6 inch, and 6 inch is equal to 12 centimeter. And if you have a big scale, then that is of 30 centimeter and 1 feet. Okay. So approximately how this one needle is of 2 centimeter. Okay. If I see what can be the how much this pencil can be, I could put my fingers here and here. So 8 fingers are covering this. This is 8 digit, or it is approximately 8 centimeter. Okay. So this way we can get the rough idea about the centimeter and meter. And 1 meter, if you stretch your arm, your smaller one, then your one thumb, from one thumb side to another thumb side, you can have 1 meter. Okay. So, and if you walk normally, your normal walk, your 3 step can give 1 meter. Okay. So this is the idea about the meter and centimeter. So length, now they are saying length of your thumb. You can measure the length of your thumb. You can put the scale like this and measure. Okay. So you can see it can be around 4 centimeter, or guess. First of all, you have to put your thumb like this and fingers like this. Oh, my 4 fingers are covering a thumb, so it can be 4 centimeter. But by using your scale, you can use, see, let me to see, scale is given here. I will put my thumb here in the scale, but my guess was 4 centimeter, but now it is coming 6 centimeter. So here exact measure by using this side scale. So this way you have to do all the parts. You can guess your pencil. You can guess the length of the pencil like this, as I shown you already, 8 centimeter. Okay. Now I will see proper length of the pencil here on the scale. I will put it from 0 to here. Oh, it is 12.5 centimeter. 12.5 centimeter. So my guess and actual value is little different. So same way you can go for eraser, handspan and pencil box yourself. You guess here by using the fingers, and here you measure by using the scale, and write here and see what is the difference. So if you use scale, then it is exact. Okay. Now they are saying here also, if you open your this is called as arm span, then from here to here you have 1 meter. Okay. 1 meter approx. It's approx, not exact. Okay. Exact is by using meter scale. And your bat can be 1 meter. This door can be of 2 meter. This is the guess only. Crocodile length can be 3 meter. Even cars, you see, there are around 3 meter. Tables around 1.5 meter, or small table can be of 1 meter. So circle the object that are less than a meter. You can circle this is less than a meter. Okay. But this can be a meter. Okay. This height can be a meter. This is less than meter. 1 meter pencil can't be there. Okay. The pencil can't be like this length. Okay. And here this is also less than 1 meter, but this can be more than 1 meter. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 are less than 1 meter. So this way you can do this page number 147. Now we'll go to the next. There is an exercise. 10A. The measurement of the length you have to do this fish measure here 1 2 3 centimeters, so you have to fill here 3. Next, this butterfly is of 6 centimeter, this one is of 7 centimeter. Now next, do how long are these ribbons? Circle the closest answer. Do not use your ruler, then check with the ruler. Okay, a ruler is given, ruler is about 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is this much. No, ruler can be of 4 centimeter. No, ruler is of about 10 centimeter. Okay, circle the correct one in this. Now next, small ribbon is given. With the ruler also you can check or guess it. Small ribbon. Okay, so this is, you can put the fingers, the 3 fingers covering this one, so it can be of 2 or 3 centimeter. 10 centimeter, no. 2 centimeter, no. 3 centimeter. Same way you can guess all these 2 parts. Rest of the 2 parts, put your fingers. Okay, take it as a 1 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Measure, then see the approx. These are not exact, they are approx. Exact only we can get by using the pencils, scale and pencil. Okay, now next is put the tick on those things that are more than a meter in the real life. Okay, more than a meter. The shoes can be more than 1 meter. No. Book can be more than, no. But the shadi or the your mother's height can be, yes, more than 1 meter. No. This can be height of the ceiling. Yes, more than 1 meter. No. Plane length can be more than 1 meter. Yes. Tree can be more than 1 meter. So tree, plane, mother, and height of the ceiling can be more than 1 meter. Decide whether these length are long or short, or use meter or centimeter. Okay, if it is long, then use meter. If it is very short, then you can use centimeter. Thickness of the book can be in centimeter. Okay, length of your shoes, your chair, it is also in centimeter. If it is half meter, it can be, but use centimeter. Length of the, what it is, length of the car, it is in meter. Length of the monkey tail, centimeter. Okay, it is long, but it can't be 1 meter. 1 meter is around your, the length of the wall is in meter. Height of the building is meter. Length of toothbrush is centimeter. Length of the shoelace is also centimeter. So this way you have to think. Okay, yes, so they have shown the pictures also here. Now we'll go to the next. A measurement of the mass or the weight. Okay, so how big, already I have told you kilogram and gram is used. Okay, so what if I am giving you idea about the gram and kilogram, so to use for the, okay, 1 coin of 1 rupee can be of 5 gram. Okay, these are the small pots that can be of 1 gram. Okay, small stone pieces. And if you say any apple can be of 100 gram. This is the idea given to you about the this one. Berries, these are the blackberries or like that, so you can 1 gram for 1 piece. Now here the weighing machine is showing, you have to measure how much is the weight on this one of pencil in this weighing machine. It is in gram. Okay, so you see 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, so this one is 40 gram. Okay, what about this? It is this one needle is showing to 20, so it is 20 gram. Okay, and what about this? This is showing 70 gram. So you have to just read the this machine. Okay, values on the machine, and see this side you can do yourself. Now we'll go to the next side, that is kilogram. Okay, what idea about the kilogram you can get? 1 2 3 4 5 6, around about 6 7 banana can give you 1 kilogram. 1 2 3 4 5 books can be 2 kilogram. In your bag even 3 kilogram, 4 kilogram or 5 kilogram your bag, depend on the books. So watermelon big size can be of 5 kilogram. So here there, what do these weight, this weight of this monkey, you can see here the weight are shown 4 kg, and then it is 1 and 1, 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6 kg, and here it is only 1 kg, and that side you can do yourself. Now put the tick in the boxes for those that weigh more than 1 kg. This can be more than 1 kg? No. Cross it. Cycle can be more 1 kg? Yes, it is 10-15 kg. Paper clips? No. And crocodile? Yes. So other parts you can do yourself. TV can be more than 1 kg. Now next is tick the heavier one. Heavier one you have to tick. First is a glass full of popcorn or the glass full of milk. Popcorn weight is less, but milk is more, so tick here. Second, a sack or full of potatoes or sack full of cotton. Cotton is very light, so potato. A balloon filled with the air, a balloon filled with water. Balloon filled with water. This balloon, yellow one, okay, is heavy. So this way you can do page number 151. Now we'll go to the next exercise 10b. In 10b, are these objects light or heavy? Decide whether you would weigh them in gram or kilogram. A slab of chocolate, it is in gram, not kilogram. Sheet of paper, gram. Suitcase filled with clothes, yes, heavy, kilogram. A sack of potatoes, kilogram. Auto rickshaw, kilogram, heavy one. Comb, gram, lightweight it is. Knife, gram. A packet of biscuit, gram. If knife is very big, then it can be 1 kilogram, but here we'll see here what type of knife. Knife is smaller one, it can be of gram, 200-300 gram. Now circle the weight that seems to be correct. Okay, mango weight is 200 gram or 2 kg? 200 gram. 2 kg mango, 10 mango you have to take. Okay, one brick of 1 gram or 1 kilo. 1 gram is very small, so 1 kilogram. Okay, weight of this table is 10 gram or 10 kilogram. Gram is very less, so weight of rabbit is 5 gram or 5 kilogram? 5 kilogram. Okay, if you take 5 gram weight can be a rabbit of cotton, but that you can make at home. I'm just joking. 5 kilogram. Okay, so this way you can do here. Even this needle is lightweight, 2 gram. So this way you can do other parts yourself. Then you have a practice to do it. Now next page we will go for the volume. In the volume, I told you already 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So what the idea about the milliliter you can get from here? They are saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drops of water can give you 1 milliliter. Okay, and this type of small spoon is of 5 milliliter. And this one cup you are using for the milk or tea, that can be of 100 or 200 milliliter. Okay. Now we will use liter to measure the larger quantity of the liquid. Okay, 1 liter can be 4 glasses. 1 liter milk packet is there. You might have seen from the shop 1 liter milk cup and bucket you are using in the bathroom, or like this big bucket 15 liter. So this will give you idea about the liter and milliliter. Do this hold more than or less than a liter? Circle more or less. Okay, this is a dispenser. Yes, it is more than 1 liter. It can be of 5 or 10 liter. This is less than 1 liter. Okay, and this water, this one is more than a liter. It can hold. So this way you can do this page number 153. Now we'll go to the exercise 10c. Now the question first is tick the object that hold more than a liter, or ring those who hold less than a liter. Less than a liter. Okay, more than a liter. Here more than liter, more than liter, and here less than a liter, less than a liter, less than a liter. Okay, so circle the object, ring the object that hold less than a liter, and tick which hold more than a liter. Now they are saying you have to use liter or milliliter. Milk in a baby's feeding bottle, ml. Okay, small bottle it is. Medicine in injection is also in ml, small it is in quantity. Water in a large can, liter. A tube of the paint, ml. A bottle of ink, ml. Water in small base is given here, liter. Okay, bathtub full of water, liter, full of water, bathtub it is. A drum of oil is also liter, but water in a small base is shown here. This is small actually. If it is small, then it can be liter or milliliters, very small, so you can write here ml. Okay, so this way you can complete your exercise 10c. Now we'll go to the next page. Also the same exercises continue. So circle the unit you will use to measure. Okay, this is the weight of the volume. For the weight you have to use gram. Okay, the pencil, the length of the pipe. For the length of the pipe you will not use kilogram or liter, you will use meter. Okay, the length of the belt in centimeter, gram or milliliter. Gram is used for weight, milliliter is for capacity, so centimeter. The baby weight is in kilogram. This way you can do the full page. Height of the building is in meter. Okay, this is height of the fish tank is in centimeter. Gram, liter you can't take, that is capacity, and this one weight. So this way you can do the left parts. Okay, now let's go for the next page, chapter checkup. Chapter checkup is for you have to see circle the correct length of the real object given below. Okay, a pencil is given. Pencil can't be 7 meter, it is 7 centimeter. You can circle them, it 7 centimeter, correct one. This is the breadth of this one. It can't be, yes, it can be 1 meter. This is a toothbrush, it is 18 meter, no, 18 centimeter. This one is 15 centimeter. So here you can see the bed, it can be 2 meter. Height of this one can be 4 meter, not 4 centimeter. Okay, so here you can see this one. Okay, now this way you can do chapter checkup. It is easy, we have discussed all the things. Just like this is a leaf, it can be 2 gram. This is a person, 70 kilogram, not 70 gram, very small. So this is this one milliliter. Okay, water bottle it is, it can be of 1 liter. So we can circle 1 liter. And this one is a jug, it is 500 milliliter, not 500 liter. 500 liter is a tanky, full tanky, big size. Okay, so this way you can do other parts yourself. So page number 156 I did, 157 you can do yourself. So this is all about your chapter shapes. This one measurement. Okay, I will share you one activity. You can measure the length of your room or length of the table using pace, using cubit, using pencil length. You can use by digits, and you can do revise practically. You think about the weight, length and volume. Okay, thanks.